April is one of the busiest months in the garden. Mild weather is ideal for renovating garden beds, filling in any gaps that may have appeared after one of our toughest summers on record, or simply just fulfilling that plant wish list which we all secretly have. In most areas, it's also time to start cutting back summer flowering perennials that have finished flowering. Most offer you hints as to where to cut them back, like these achilles. Add all the clippings to your compost heap. Autumn offers plenty of material for composting, especially later in the season when deciduous trees lose their autumn foliage. April is also the start of spring bulb planting. Spring bulbs bring a splash of colour early in the season, as well as being a valuable food source for bees and beneficial insects. If you've never grown bulbs before, you should definitely give it a try. They're literally an all-in-one package and so easy to grow. Simply plant them now and in spring they'll start to shoot, and then that will be followed by a stunning display of flowers. A little bit of fertiliser and a splash of water every now and then is all that's required for a stunning display year after year. It's pumpkin time in the southern states of Australia. You know it's time to harvest when the vine starts to wither and die back. But just to make sure, tap on your pumpkins and they should sound hollow. Leave a stem, but don't pick it up by this. It's just to help prolong storage. Check your pumpkins for any blemishes. If they have any puncture marks like this, you're better to use or preserve them now. Only unblemished pumpkins store well. Leave in the sun for about a week for the skin and stems to harden, but protect them from frost. After a week, store them on their side in a cool, dry location, like your pantry, but don't stack them. And don't forget to check back in with us next month to find out more of what you can be doing in your garden.